Well, hello YouTube and Facebook friends. This is Carin Lynch at the Wildwood Lifestyle Center Teaching Kitchen, where today we're going to do another simple, nutritious, and delicious recipe. It's a Tofu-na macaroni salad. That's right, I said Tofu-na. That means it's tofu tuna macaroni salad. Okay, so here are our ingredients. First, we're going to start with tofu. Now, I took a regular block of medium, firm, or even extra firm tofu, and I put it in the freezer. And then what I did was I froze it overnight, and the next day defrosted it. And then what I did was I squeezed out all the water once it was defrosted. And this changes the texture of the tofu. It makes it a little flakier. It makes it almost like a meaty consistency. So this is what we're going to use for our tuna. I have some macaroni here. This is a whole grain brown rice macaroni. And this is great because you're not just using a white starchy one, but you've got your whole grains in this. I've got some celery, some carrot, and some onion. I have your favorite plant-based mayonnaise. And then of course I have some seasonings. I have lemon juice, I have kelp powder, and I also have some Bragg's liquid aminos. Now the kelp powder is going to give this a little of that fishy taste, which we look for in tuna salad. This is so simple. This is going to be a great recipe when you want to do something quick and easy for a party or on the go. I'm going to take my tofu and I'm going to stick it in with some of my seasonings. I'm going to add the Bragg's liquid aminos, the lemon juice, and I'm just going to mix this up. I want to mix this up first. The reason why is because the tofu is going to really absorb the flavors of the seasoning. So you want to mix this first before you mix in your vegetables and your other seasonings. Here is our kelp powder. I'm going to mix that in and get that all done, and then we'll put in our vegetables. Okay, our celery, carrots, and onions. So we're going to give this a mix again, and then we'll put in our mayo. Okay, and then I'm just going to dump in our pasta. And now we're just going to give this a good mix. And there you have it, our Tofu-na macaroni salad. All right, the best part is to give it a try. This is so delicious, it is going to satisfy any fish lover's craving. This recipe is perfect to bring to a party or on a picnic or if you're going camping. It's a nice, easy, summery kind of recipe that everyone will enjoy. Well, friends, my time is up here at the Wildwood Lifestyle Center Teaching Kitchen, but I want to remind you to go to our YouTube channel, DIY Health. Don't forget to subscribe, or on Facebook at Wildwood Lifestyle Center. Thank you.